everyone! We are in Alba's nursery na. Nag-aantay na lang ng time para pumasok. Medyo aga pa kami, 5 minutes early. So, yeah. There's Alba at the back. Grabe ang araw, pero ang lamig. 3 degrees. Diba? 3 degrees today. Oh, nasabi ko ba guys? Nakauwi na ako kanina pa. Hindi ko na nasabi. Ano ba? Ayun na, nakauwi na ako. Nag-edit ako ng vlog. So, there's a vlog coming up. No, nakakapanibago pag walang bata sa bahay. And also, nakakamiss din. Ako lang ba? Ako lang ba yung nanay na namimiss yung anak? Pag wala. Kakamiss. Kaya, dapat hahapdi ko si Alba today. Kasi nga, gusto ko sana mag-swimming kami later sa afternoon. Kaso, tomorrow, may swimming lesson siya. So, naisip ko, tomorrow na lang. So, hindi ko pala naisip. Si David pala nakaisip. Tomorrow na lang. Sabay na lang ako na mag-swimming after ng swimming lesson niya. So, ayun, guys. Tapos na ako kumain ng brunch. And then, ang dessert ko, ignore. Play-doh to. Hindi to kasama sa strawberries with condensed milk. Tayo na talaga yung kumakain ng strawberry na may condensed milk. Try natin. Maganda nga itong strawberry na nabili ko, oh. Hanggang ngayon, okay pa siya. Yummy, yummy. Kain. Yummy. Asim at tamis. So, nakauwi na kami galing sa pagsundo kay Alba. So, nag-grocery ako, konting grocery lang for the next couple of days kasi off pa ako hanggang Saturday. So, nakamagana tayo 18.85 pounds. Let's see. So, I bought some beef lasagna na i-oven na lang. So, 1 kilogram siya. So, medyo malaki na siya for sharing na. Bought some chicken wings. Ilang kilo ba tong chicken wings natin? 1 kilogram of chicken wings as well. Pork ribs. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng pork ribs sa shop. So, try natin to, which is, ilang kilo ba to? Hindi nakalagay ko ilang kilo. 700 grams ng pork ribs. And then, fish. Bumili ko uli nung mackerel na smoked mackerel. And also, salmon. And then, got some garlic bread for Alba. He loves garlic bread. And also, some breadsticks for snacks. Some crackers. Also, cheese twist. Na para siyang savory. Ano ba siyang tawag dito? Savory, parang pastry ang texture niya. And then, chocolate cookies and cream. Chocolate cookies and cream na para siyang Oreo style but Aldi brand. So, ayan. Ano ba to? 18.85. So, I think for 18 pounds, okay na. Kasi ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na klase na pagkain. The lasagna, chicken wings, pork ribs, salmon, and then yung tinapa natin. So, not bad. But anyway, I'm gonna make a quick garlic bread because Alba's requesting for a garlic bread. Pero si David, meron pa siyang naiwan na panglagay sa garlic bread. So, let's make it. Hindi ko ba nasabi, lalabas pala kami ni Alba. Pupunta kami sa Tim Hortons. So, sa cafe. Magkikita kami ni Emil. So, ayun. Tatambay kami. Tambay! Ano lang? Wala kasing ganap talaga ngayon. Di ba sabi ko mag-declutter ako ng room ni Alba? Declutter, non-ending declutter. Alam mo kung bakit non-ending declutter? Every time na, natitingin ako sa wardrobe ni Alba or sa drawers niya, ang daming mga kailangan alisin. Promise. So, yun, ang gagawin ko sana. Sana, pero it's okay. Bongga, ang ganda.
Ang ganda ko.
Pagka wala kang pera, magbabaong ka.
Kaya nga.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hindi ko alam dito kung saan nakasale eh.
Wala yatang aisle dito.
Hindi ka tulad ng mga Tesco Asda.
Parang,
Reduce.
parang wala.
Sure ba?
Try natin.
Parang nga, ikaw ang magaling mag-English.
Hindi, wala
May
talaga.
accent. Hindi sila nag-reduce?
Dito lang din. Same lang din ang... Hello! Nakauwi na kami. Tapos na ang gala for today's vlog. It's not morning. It's night time, silly. Tutupiin ko lang ang uniform ni David. At kami ay magre-ready for bed na. Ang dumi ng lens natin, guys. There. Get talk to the guys.
Good morning.
Good evening. It's evening.
Good morning. It's morning time.
It's not morning time. It's evening time.
Why?
It's night time. Look how dark it is outside.
Guess what?
Someone wants to say good night, guys. You gonna say good night? Woo.
Good night, guys.
Good night. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, guys. Like and subscribe.